So process here one of the smartest way with me afaso de nya ska de atwa rent. So pese o ye nkata sembi o pese unya ska bi no video one of the smartest way. Na sa way no me share free MTN for mo customer way no at the end of the video ne me de beto so nti me mo explain bibia nti ye de ko twi kasam said ye ubetimi ate ase ye. But before say me move it to MTN way no me de be come phone no na ma show process no how ubetimi afaso set your plan and at the same time so how ubetimi afaso accumulate your funds no. So Yello save way no MTN akwa say MTN and a fidelity for MTN platform ba fidelity na oko save wo ho. MTN customer way no explain bibia nti way no obe set your plan now obe set up no me do be come phone make sure how obeti afaso aye no plan now be set no every day bia no on beti 10 cities e bia 20 cities to say bundle aye to because every day be it me top bundle 40 cities e bia 30 cities into because of that plan we you know so auto bundle 30 cities are every day bia na obeti so at least me top bundle 10 cities na ma save 20 cities into every day bia on beti will be at 10 cities and 20 cities into year no so a obe redo sika na omema bonus of 8%. Omema bonus 8%. E dey account sika na watimi save no ho. So that means or rent for every year be na who save towards or rent na sika na watimi accumulate for rent no. Omesen achew 8% of sika na osan accumulate here no. At the same time so omesen am 3%, 2% na ino no one for one san sika na omema 11%. But I say, into my family phone no na yen started our process no. Enti you use MTN mobile money obebo star making sure we register MTN mobile money. To register we abobo mo code na star 170 hash. Obo star 170 hash na you be call fifth one no. No about financial services. Ti be call you be choose second one savings. Then you about second one. Ni call Yello save. Nti o call first one Yello save. You have a deposit while you withdraw, never check balance. But you have a savings plan. It's a savings plan. First time I have in a way, I'll call savings plan. It's a savings plan. At the later, na my best explaining no be actual ha. It's a savings plan. I catch us say create savings plan. No about create savings plan. Create savings plan. Maybe say. How often do you want to save? Nti like open say yenti sika no daily and as a week bi and as a month bi me no me who say oye ni day bi yesterday nti me ko daily. Nti ko daily I say how much do you want to save? But for two teams say ubetimi a change sika na opese wonye ni later. Nti yamfa ne say sisi a person save saying me pese me save 20 cedis every day bi me save 20 cedis. About 20 cedis. Was it please confirm your savings plan of 20 Ghana cedis daily. Into Debiano automatically no MTN for better 20 cedis a free mobile money. So we see how we on better free. No matter confirm. Enti on memo create pin or say enter Yello save pin. Save into momo pin no. Oba approve payment and into ba approve. Enti we now we approve no. We approve say every day biano. MTN for ma ho kwan na omonto 20 Ghana cedis emfi o mobile money wo sika wo mkwan de omonti sika nye de emfim ba uni sika wo ma no problem the next day I'll bet me this ka betum no on beti afrim even those on beti sika ne daily be 20 cedis but o sika bia ba unsam na o pese se sika no onfa ni nyina nkotuma even though say omo beti auto every day bia ba obetimi abo deposit na e bia say when ya be 1000 Ghana cedis bi o pese onfa ntuma waiting the 1000 Ghana cedis na den atum enti withdraw no o person withdraw sika na obetimi a withdraw sika no check balance o person check sika wa save obetimi a check sika na wa save no na savings plan savings plan o person say na obetimi a change no na o person change pin obetimi a change pin no na mini statement savings do awaye na transaction do awaye wo Yello save no obetimi ahuni nyina wo ho enti say net say me friend tin for more explaining and me the video ne beto ebeto so sese a say the ubetimi atiase ye me ne omo kan me bisa question bia in case of say wokra na from a ubebisa nti omo explain bibia so the ubetimi atiase. Can you repeat what you said?
I'm saying the Yello save. Okay.
Okay.
You save on MTN. You save with your MTN SIM card and all that, but the account is managed by Fidelity Bank.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's say the money you withdraw from the account, all those transactions are managed by Fidelity Bank. So the savings is for 1 year.
Okay.
Okay. You get your interest after 1 year.
Okay.
The basic interest is 3% interest on the amount you saved up to the end of the year.
Okay.
You get a 3% interest on the amount. An additional 8% interest when, listen carefully, when during the year,
Okay.
within any month or along the month, you've not withdrawn more than 2 times from your savings account, you get an additional 8% interest to your basic 3% interest that you get.
Okay. Yɛmfa ne sɛ mewɔ me pese me save for 3 months. Nti unse plan no yɛwɔ 3 months, 6 months, na I think say 12 months anamboa.
That's the Yello save plan and yes.
Okay.
1 year of saving.
Okay.
And every month interest no.
Okay. Nti yɛfa ne sɛ me save my save drew 6 months na ebi a matimi anya like 1,000 Ghana cedis and I say 5,000 Ghana cedis. Na me withdraw me ka say me withdraw ebi a 3,000 like me interest also.
What we do saying?
Like me withdraw ebi a 2,000 and free 5.
Say sikani de mo ko them say afini baby we ya we nya 3% interest. That was
3%.
Yes.
Na kwan best no me fa so nya 8% no.
8% no.
Yeah.
If you want to send your cash over 2,000 no.
Okay.
I know the withdrawal back.
Okay.
The happen is if afini mo if January I be do December and November.
Okay.
Month they are you back and now we can me no pay. And no now be 8%. Na mu say bosume back kra pe we me ensa pe assess 8% no san can be.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 8% near say bosume na we twum ni na we kra me no pay.
Okay.
We bosume back pe even is watch December. Ebia I want check kakra na we ko yi me ensa. And no san to me can 8%.
Okay. Nti last question no. Me and fan say me person mean save for 1 month. Ma send ma set it my ina to daily. Nti that means daily be an MTN bet amount na me set ni bia 10 Ghana cedis a. Nti fan say month na so. Month na so ye no. Na manya 400 cedis. Then na ma withdraw me 400 cedis ni na 400 cedis ni menya interest also.
Why we do 400 in if your account?
Yeah, 1 month na so yeah no call me yeah in 1 month. Nti 1 month menya interest also.
Okay, me to Asia. Oh yeah, 1 month my son.
Yes, it's so 1 month. It drew 1 month. That be and so afi. If I say me started 1st January. It drew 30th January no. Like within that month na.
Oh, David.
And the menya interest be also.
Interest no be eba. Say na interest na tie. Sike bia o de betu mu be interest no ebeba on sika na aka no at the end of the year.
Oh, okay. And that means say me de
we save sika na ebia. We save fan say afini ni na we save 6,000.
Okay.
Na December last month December no. Na mistake wa ko yi sika ni na aka 1,000 na.
Okay.
Yeah, interest ne ba 1,000 na the account no so na interest ne be ba also.
Oh, okay. 8% ne be ba 1,000 Ghana no.
Okay.
Na 3% now kind eh.
But it's a basic 3%, no basic 3%, na never ba 1,000. 8% ne be ba say usumini na no only sika more than 2 times and as 8% ne be ba. It say 1,000 now beka woman no say omushe na say usumini na only more than 2 times 8% ne be ba was 1,000 so.
Oh, okay.
3% plus 8% no ni na be ba 1,000 so. Say be ba sika na account no no so.
And that means omon fa ho say wa save money drew December almost 5,000 but the aka no wa withdraw money aka no
amoba be for interest na to na no no number
I hope some money the video who question be bit me leave edit to video ya say at the same time some sure say fidelity for her video ya or more any product be on person will promote here or meet me a contact me number promote am because video we definitely know I think in China creating and being a lot of views into more different products be announced a bank be with different products be opposite or promote here or bet me a reach me taking gmail.com. Nyame boa person share